Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching grade 9 mathematics chapter number 1 number system part 2. Points discussed in this video: real numbers and their decimal expansion, NCERT examples. Types of decimals: terminating decimals, when the remainder becomes 0 or the decimal expansion terminates or ends in finite number of steps. Those type of decimal expansion is known as terminating decimals. Non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimals, when the remainder is non-zero, that is, it keeps on repeating and the decimal goes on and on with repetition. Those type of decimals are known as non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimals. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals, when the remainder is non-zero and the decimal goes on and on without repetition. Those type of decimals are known as non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Note, the decimal expansion of rational numbers is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Example number 5. Find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. So first let's do 10 by 3. So divisor is 3 and dividend is 10. So we know 3 3s are 9. So remainder is 1. As they are asking decimal expansion, we have to put a decimal. So if you put a decimal, you have to put a 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. You can put a 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. Again you can put a 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Hence we can see remainder 1 is again and again repeating. Hence this type of decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring type of expansion. 7 by 8. So dividend is 7 and divisor is 8. 7 is not divisible by 8. So 0 point, which is 70, 64, 8 8s are 64 and you'll get 60, 8 7s are 56, get 40, 8 5s are 40. You can see the remainder is 0. Hence it's terminating type of decimal. 1 by 7. So 7 is the divisor and 1 is the dividend. Again it's 1 is not divisible by 7, so 0 point becomes 10, 7, 30, 4s are 28, 20, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 60, 7 8s are 56, 40, 7 5s are 35, 50, 7 7s are 49. You can see the remainder is 1 and we started with 1. Hence 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, the whole bar, because it repeats after these many digits again. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, it should be able to be expressed in P by Q form. So 3.142678, if you write in P by Q form, it will be 3.12678 by, which is in P by Q form. Example 7. Show that 0.333 is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in P by Q form. So x is equal to 0.333, which is equation 1. 10x is equal to 3.333, which is equation 2. So we have to subtract equation 2 minus 1. So we'll get 9x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is in P by Q form. So 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. Example number 8. Show that 1.2727 is equal to 1.27 bar can be expressed in P by Q form. So x is equal to 1.2727. This is equation number 1. So as there are two numbers, so 100x is equal to 127.2727. That's equation number 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 will give us 99x is equal to 126. So x is equal to 126 by 99, which is 14 by 11, which is in P by Q form. Example number 9. Show that 0.23535 is equal to 0.235 bar can be expressed in P by Q form. So x is equal to 0.23535, which is equation number 1. So as there are two numbers, 100x is equal to 23.535, which is equation number 2. So 2 minus 1 is 99x is equal to 23.3. So x 99x is equal to 23.3 can be written as 233 by 10. So x is equal to 233 by 99 into 10 is 990, which is in P by Q form. Example 10. This is the last question for today. Find a irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. We already calculated 1 by 7, which was 0.142857 the whole bar. 2 by 7 we can calculate by this in simple way. We can write 2 by 7 is equal to 2 times 1 by 7, and we know the value of 1 by 7, that is 0.142857, and it repeats again 142857, and it goes on. So you will get the answer as 0.285714 the bar, or else you can do by long division method. 7 is outside, 2 is inside. So 27 2s are 14. So 60, 7 8s are 56, 40, 7 5s are 35, 50, 7 7s are 49, 10, 7 1s are 7, 30, 7 4s are 28, and you'll get remainder 2. We started with 2 and we got remainder 2. Hence 0.285714 keeps repeating. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below.